pigs make my sneeze. Gerard, what do you want to do today? I want yes. What? A ball, a sleeve, a hat? Two. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make my sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make my sneeze, try. I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart for forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs makes my sneeze. And pigs is a pig. Pigs is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cat makes my sneeze too. Don't. Do not. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cat makes you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you.